Hey guys, just want to do a quick review of this garage door opener system. So this is the LiftMaster My Home, the Wi-Fi enabled system. Got a few of them and these are really great. Super duper happy. The sensor, not a ton to show on the actual unit. I'm going to show you it actually working here in a second. Got the light in the front. Let's go ahead and close it. So here's the control unit here. Got two different types. If I hit the light, that'll turn on the light there so you can see. And then just hit this button. And here, closing. Pretty normal sound for a garage door. Not overly loud, not incredibly quiet, but this thing gets the trick done. It's got the Wi-Fi capabilities. So I'll go ahead and open it real quick so you can hear that. That's how I got it rigged up to the top there. So yeah, if you're looking for this type of garage door opener, I highly recommend this one, and I hope this video helps.